Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a transformation. Okay, so I decided to go ahead and do my hair first because that is going to take up quite a bit of time, and then do my makeup. So I'm going to be using this curling wand by SRI Salon, and this is my first time using the curling wand, so I'm pretty excited. This curling wand does have an adjustable heat setting, so you can put it on 320, 350, 390, or 430. And I think I'm gonna put it on 390. I think that'd be good enough to curl my hair. So I'm starting off with stretched hair, and I just have my hair in these two little pigtails. So I did use a heat protectant, and I used this one by Aveda. This is their Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. And I don't have on a glove. I'm pretty used to curling my hair without burning myself, so I'm not trying to jinx myself, but I just think it goes a lot faster when I don't use a glove. But if you're new to this, use a glove, because you can definitely burn yourself. When I was younger, I used to burn myself on like the flat iron, on the curling iron all the time, and I had like so many scars. And now, like, being the age I am now, the scars are finally starting to fade after all these years. So you definitely don't want to burn yourself on one of these curling irons. You guys can like see my hair. Okay, I'm gonna change my robe so you guys can like see my hair better.
So to give you guys a little bit more information on this curling iron, which the link will be down below in the description box if you're interested, it does have infrared heat, which basically means that the curling wand will evenly distribute heat while soaking your strands in nourishing infrared heat. And by using infrared heat, it basically means that instead of heating each strand from the outer core to the inner core, the follicle is heated from the inside out. Therefore, it will prevent any type of rough spots or dryness, and it will lock in moisture and shine. The curling wand also has negative ion technology as well as tourmaline. So the product is definitely good for all hair types. It heats up really quickly, and it also has a 360-degree swivel cord, which I find very beneficial because when I'm doing my hair, it's just a lot. So I don't want the cord to get in my way. And it also has a 60-minute auto shut-off, which is really great because you don't have to ever worry about accidentally leaving the curling iron on.
So these are how the curls came out. Super pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup, and then I'll probably like brush them out a little bit, not too much, but yes, how it turned out. Okay, so on to the makeup. So I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face with this Dermalogica primer. I like this primer because it just mattifies my face, and I don't know, I just like it. So I'm trying to grow out my eyebrows because the last woman who threaded my eyebrows, she just did them extremely too thin for my liking. So, to say the least, I was kind of pissed. But, you know, me being the nice person that I am, I went ahead and gave her a tip anyway. But she know I didn't ask for her to take off all my eyebrows like that. So I'm going to go ahead and clean them up a bit just using this concealer. And I'm going to put all of the products that I used today, including the hair products, in the description box. So check below if you're interested in anything that I'm using. Foundation by Colourpop. And I really like it. I think it's a really good match. All of my other foundations for some reason does not match my skin anymore. So yeah. Just put this on, and I don't use a lot. I'm not really like what is it called? Like a full coverage type of makeup girl. Like I just do what I can when I can. The Makeup Fixing Mist by Pixie on a flat top brush to blend in my foundation. So for concealer, I'm going to be using this one by Sephora. And I really like this concealer. It's a little bit lighter than my skin tone, so it gives me like a little bit of that brightness. And I'm actually running out of it, so I got to get some more. I got to repurchase some more. But I was thinking about getting the Colourpop concealer. Because I do like their concealer, but I just got the wrong color, so I never use it. So I might just get the Colourpop one because, you know, that's only $6, and the Sephora one is like, I want to say $20 for that concealer. So I'll probably just, if I find my right color, I'll get the one by Colourpop. Buttercup setting powder, and I've been using this for years. Like, I just use a small amount underneath my eyes, and then I will go ahead and dust it away. I just got this on my hair. I put on some eyeshadow today, and I'm just used the same concealer to put as a primer, you know, this old school style. I don't use an eyeshadow primer. I just use this concealer. Put it all over my eyelids. Kind of blend it in a little bit. So I'm going to be using this palette by Crown. This is the Pro palette. And a lot of warm tones. So I always gravitate toward like warm tone palettes and stuff like that. So I'm just going to put this color right here. And put this color all over my lid. And ignore my nails because I had a no chip manicure, and then I went to go take it all off today, and it was really difficult to take off. I'm like, what in the world? So yeah, ignore my nails. I need to go get them done. But as you can see, like, look at how pigmented this eyeshadow is. Like, it went on super easily. I don't do a lot of makeup videos because people are very critical of your makeup. Like, if you don't do it right, they will just go in on you, or should I say me? They will just go in on me in the comment section. And I didn't come here for that, you know? Like, I didn't come. Blend, 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 blend. Blend, blend, blend. And put this same original color on the lash line as well. I don't know if you guys can hear that dog in the background, but my neighbor has a dog, and every time someone walks by her door, the dog just starts barking like crazy. Now I'm going to go ahead and put this eyeliner by Black Radiance. I've had this for a long time. I use it every time I do my makeup. I put this in my lash line. And I'm going to go ahead and smoke that out. So I have a confession. I don't really know how to apply false eyelashes. So I'm just gonna stick with mascara. Like, I don't know what it is, but I've tried several times to learn how to apply falsies, but I just never have been good at it. Thank the Lord that I have pretty long eyelashes. And if you didn't know, I actually grew my eyelashes out because when I was like probably like a junior in high school, I went and got false, false eyelashes, the ones that they do at the nail salon. And 2 weeks later, my eyelashes just started falling out in clumps, and I didn't have eyelashes for like a really long time. So I started to grow them out. I just used like castor oil. But yeah, I just started using Jamaican black castor oil on my eyelashes, and they started to grow rapidly. So that is what I used back in the day. But these days, I use this one by Avon. They have like this eyelash growth serum, and it works really, really well. Mascara is by CoverGirl, and I really, really love CoverGirl's mascaras. They have a really, really affordable mascara that work just as well as the higher end mascaras. So I'm gonna go ahead and chisel my face with this bronzer by Benefit. Been using this for years as well. This is the Hoola bronzer. And yeah, just do that. Underneath my chin as well. Nose. Yeah. Go ahead and spray my face with this makeup fixing mix again. Yeah. I'm gonna put on a little bit of highlight. Y'all, back in the day, not back in the day, but like probably like 2016, 2017, bruh, I used to be a highlight fiend. Like, my highlight used to be so bright. Now these days, sometimes I forget to put on highlight. Can you believe it? But yeah, I just put like a little bit on. Nothing too dramatic, nothing too crazy. Just a little bit. Oh, and my favorites. I cannot forget my favorite. Blush. I love blush. I never used to be a blush girl, but these days, I am a blush girl. And this one is by Laura Geller. This is their, what's the name of it? I don't even see a name. Oh, Tropic Hues blush. So I'm just kind of swirl a kabuki brush into it and then go crazy. Like, I put this blush all over my face. On my nose, on my cheeks. I think it makes me look like alive and healthy. So yeah, that is that. So I feel like a red lip today, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this red lip by Milani. This is their Amore Matte Lip Cream. So yeah, this stuff goes on crazy. I just let that dry. A bit of tissue. Like that. So now I'm going to go ahead and put some of this oil by Verb. This is their Ghost Oil. I really like this oil. It's really lightweight, so it won't weigh down my hair. And I'm going to just use like a little bit of this. And I'm just going to do like this. I'm not gonna brush out the curls or anything like that. I'm gonna just do like that. Yeah. So this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give me a huge thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel for more videos and hit the bell so the notifications will come straight to your phone. You can follow me on any of my social media, Miriam J. Hampton, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!